What's up, YouTube? This is Coach Oliver, aka Ambition Oliver, coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the headlights. All right, you change the headlights to some LED headlights. All right, I'm rocking with the blue ones, so if you wanna rock with like I am, rock with the blue ones. No offense to the shirt is just extra. All right, so I'm gonna show you what to do. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to remove this little cup. All right, it's cups on there. You remove the cup, and you can get to the headlight. All right, so the headlight, of course, is right here. There's two ways to get to it. Either right here, all right, where the air filter is. I just made a video how to replace the air filter. So, and with that video, all you doing is just taking this off. That's all. You're gonna take the air filter off right here, and then you're gonna take this off. You can be able to reach it a little bit better. All right, on the side, if you got some good small hands, you can be able to take this off. All right, you just untwist it. You can stick your head in there, your hand in there, and you'll feel it or whatever, and you'll be able to know it's this spot right here. Okay, so over here with the headlight, it's the same thing. Actually, you can push this and pull it up, and it'll give you room in order to be able to take that cup off right there and be able to do it. This side is a lot easier because you can just push this forward. All right, this is the CPU. You can push the CPU forward and then pull it up. You'll be able to get access to your headlights. All right, so take it easy.